very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the law of eternal balance, decoded through cosmic calculus. Ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos is not chaos. It is a grand design, a living intelligence coded by the master creator. Every action, emotion and intention radiates energy into this infinite field where nothing is lost. The universe listens, records and calculates. This sacred arithmetic of moral and spiritual consequence is what may be called the cosmic calculus, a divine algorithm that governs the balance between virtue and deviation, truth and falsehood, intention and action. In this cosmic equation, the universe does not ignore human behavior. It absorbs it. Every thought or deed becomes a variable in the larger formula of existence. The cosmos not only records the scale of every act but also the sincerity of the intent behind it. When intention aligns with honesty, compassion and courage, the energy released resonates with the rhythm of universal harmony, attracting unseen support and guidance. Prayer, genuine and sincere, adds another layer to it. Yet, when actions spring from deceit, greed or harm, they create distortions in this vast field. Such deviations are never left unchecked. Many times it appears that wrongdoing prevails and wrongdoers go unchallenged. But the divine calculus never misses anything. It is powered by a mysterious dimension, time, which operates with unfathomable precision, correcting every imbalance at its destined hour. Due to limited human capacity of understanding and comprehension, the algorithm may appear slow sometimes, yet its accuracy is absolute. The correction is inevitable. The greater the deviation, the deeper the realignment. In this grand order, the cosmos distinguishes between error and intent. Unintentional wrongs are met with correction and learning, a cosmic nudge toward wisdom. But deliberate wrongdoing draws strong forces, for the divine intelligence must preserve equilibrium. Here lies the timeless justice of the cosmic law, generally corrective and restorative, but punitive also if necessary. What's the way forward? To live in awareness of the cosmic calculus is to understand that destiny is no random stroke of fate. It is the sum of intent multiplied by action divided by consciousness. Intent gives direction, action gives momentum, consciousness gives meaning. When brain is energized, thoughts are positive and consciousness high. The denominator expands and destiny unfolds as harmony. When consciousness is low, imbalance grows and destiny becomes erratic. Thus, the truest mastery lies not in controlling outcomes, but in refining awareness. To think rightly, act justly, and live truthfully. The three pillars of consciousness are wisdom, courage, and compassion. When practiced with awareness and in rhythm with the cosmic intelligence through silence, stillness, and coherence, they bring attunement, communion, and resonance with the divine who guides when prayed. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the moral universe is flawlessly designed. Every ripple of goodness travels endlessly through time. Every act of deceit sets in motion its own correction. No force can alter this divine arithmetic, for it is woven into the very fabric of existence. As Lord Krishna declared in the revered Bhagavad Gita, whenever righteousness declines and unrighteousness rises, I manifest myself to protect the good, destroy evil, and re-establish the law of virtue. This divine assurance reveals the ultimate truth that the cosmos, though vast and apparently silent, is never indifferent. It watches, listens, and corrects with supreme precision. Those who live aligned with its order walk in harmony with destiny itself, guided by wisdom, sustained by courage, and illuminated by compassion. The cosmic calculus, in its eternal rhythm, ensures that all creation remains as justice in motion, thus forever safeguarding the equilibrium of truth. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.